Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Reddit, we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Reddit and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Reddit. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.